G'day everyone and welcome to Brushes with Beck. In today's video I'm just going to do a real quick review of this lamp that I have. Someone asked me for it a while back but I hadn't been using the lamp for very long, so I thought I'd just go through this lamp with you in this video. This is a Daylight Basics brand DuoLamp with clamp, and it's actually been a really good lamp for using when I'm doing my artwork, and I'll just go through that with you and show you what I do and don't like about it. So thanks for joining me for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. So pretty simple lamp, this one. It has two separate lamp heads, a flexible arm and a clamp that you attach to your desk. So the lights are LED lights, so they're quite bright. Not much actually comes in the box. There is the lamp, and then there is a very brief instruction booklet, which just tells you how to use it, and, you know, do not wet it, do not look directly at the light, blah, 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 blah. No, not much useful in there. The lamp itself I use for all of my videos, so I've actually got it plugged in now. So this is the heads of the lamp. I'm going to detach it from my desk. So this is the lamp here. So it has this flexible arm that you can adjust as you like. The clamp for the desk, and all you do is tighten it by screwing this piece here, and it tightens onto any desk or table or whatever you like. And then the main part is these two separate arms for the lamp. Now these can be moved in and out independently and also turned on and off independently, which is really handy. I would like if these each had a small flexible arm. That would be really, really useful, but they are still very useful the way that they are. Now in terms of the plug, it has a standard plug and then this small attachment here where you plug in the cord, and then the lights itself. So the lights itself turn on very easily. There's these little touch buttons, so you don't have to press a button or anything, and each globe has 4 power settings. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, let's stuff that up somewhere. There's 4 for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So the only thing that I don't much like about this lamp is that you do have to cycle through all the settings to get to the one that you want, and then sometimes, because it's just a touch button, sometimes you can accidentally touch it incorrectly and count wrong when you're cycling through, so you may miss the setting that you want and have to start over again. It'd be nice if there was a switch where you could just put it on the setting that you wanted. But that's really the only thing that I dislike about it, and it's not really a problematic issue. It's more of a, oh, this is a slightly annoying thing that would be easier if it was slightly different. But it really doesn't affect the use very much. The only issue I do have is with my cats. If they are on my desk and I'm drawing, if they, cats, they like to sniff things or they rub things, they put their nose here and they rub against it and they turn the lamp off or on or whatever. Sometimes I get up in the morning and the lamp is on because one of them has rubbed against it. So, but otherwise, it's a really, really handy product. I love the flexible arm, and then I can maneuver it to be as close to the desk as I like, or further away, or come in from the side. It makes it really useful for getting the right lighting that I'm after, and it means I can light up my piece as close as I like, and I don't have to worry about what time of day it is. I find if I record a video with this on any time of day, even if it's nighttime, I still get really good lighting on my videos, even if there is no light coming in through the window. So overall, absolutely love this product. Highly recommend it. I can't remember how much it is. It was a Christmas gift, so I didn't pay for it myself, so I can't actually remember. I think it's less than $100 Australian. maybe somewhere between $70 and $100. Don't quote me on that, I could be very wrong. But yes, if you're looking for a lamp for your artwork, this one is one that I would recommend. So that's all from me for this review video. I don't have much more to say about this lamp. It is basically as described on the box and basically, you know, has performed as described. So no complaints from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you again next week for another one. Stay creative.